Hi folks, and welcome to this second Saturday update on the Djungelskog giveaway. So I've got a bit of news this week. Last week we only had 6 entrants, but Bernard has informed me, he's got the list here that he's compiled, that we now have 13 entrants. So let's read through the entrants. So we've got Samantha, Golden Poochena, Anjay, absolutely positively, Hannah, James Veers, Menastra, Ariano Soriano, Amara Emma, Contradiction, Aolani Taggle, Isaiah Trout, Elvis Relvis. Thank you so much, folks, for all taking part in this Djungelskog. So folks, just to go over the rules of the giveaway, anyone can enter. I was limiting it to outside of the UK at first, but it is pretty difficult to get Djungelskog in the UK, and I wasn't getting enough people joining in. So it's basically anywhere. You can be in the UK or anywhere else in the world. What you need to do to enter is to like, watch and comment on the videos that I will put below, and any videos that I upload from now until the giveaway, which will be 3 weeks today on the 17th of April. And that's basically it, folks. So that's nice and short and sweet today for this Saturday update, and I'll see you next Saturday.